Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. The people of Clarendon, particularly those in the southern parts of the parish, have been told to expect improvements in their telecommunications and water situation in a couple of days. The state is mobilizing for water distribution, while one telecoms provider says service is hours away. As for electricity, that will, however, take some more time. The details of those and more from this report from Sandy Williams.
Rocky Point, Mitchelltown and Portland Cottage were the Clarendon communities worst impacted by Beryl. Prime Minister Andrew Holness visited the communities Saturday during a tour of the parish. He warned that frustration and stress could easily take over the minds of the people impacted, which is why he feels it is critical the people see him and other state agents right now in the immediate aftermath.
Though persons have been displaced, have been dislocated, and yes, persons are angry. There is a general level of understanding, and that is very important. So the general mood and the mental health of the people in here, and that can only be enhanced and further supported if people feel that they have a responsive government and that people are paying attention to their needs. So as much as possible, I am going to be out in the field, just trying to keep that mood of hope and optimism.
He pointed out that the speed of the response will also depend on the level of impact. Those needing food, bed, and water will get attention more easily, while those who lost roofs and houses, for instance, will eventually get help after the assessment stage is complete. As for electricity, that's non-existent in virtually all parts of southern Clarendon. That, along with poor telecommunications services, means many people in these parts have been cut off from the outside world for days.
So far, what I have seen, the downpours, which has affected electricity supply almost across the entire parish. And I, this morning, had a discussion with the chairman of JPS and Minister Vaz, and they have established a task force to look at, if not restoring electricity immediately, but at least clearing the poles that are broken, that are posing damage and limiting access. So that's the first line of attack.
Mr. Holness added that at least one telecoms company has assured him that by Monday, people in southern Clarendon should get coverage once again. As for water,
we are making provisions, and I'm certain that the Ministry of Labour and Social Security will be providing small water supply in terms of maybe 5 gallons of water. But we have mobilized the Ministry of Water, particularly through the NWC, to start trucking.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
Opposition leader Mark